Hi guys, I showed you I bought this twin pack of combat drones in a charity shop for £12, and I flew the little red one, so today I'm going to fly the blue one because I'd charged them both up expecting to go on holiday with our grandchildren. Apparently we're not going, so that one I've run the battery down already. This one I shall run it down now because we don't want to leave them fully charged. So we're at Abbots Pool car park. Got no camera on it and it's very small, so I don't know what we're going to see with the hat camera. Oh, there's a car coming. Better wait for that to park up. Well, I was about to fly and the car park filled up. There's cars there. These have all come in. But I think we got a quiet period. The battery's probably flat now on the drone. But we'll give it a little go. So, press that button. Yeah, off we go. Hello? Oh, horses. Come over here. Out the way.
Hi there, horse coming.
Yep.
Thank you.
Switching off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and I hate horse flies. You're welcome. Right, can we do hand launch? You're not going to be able to see most of this on the camera anyway, are you? I'll keep it a bit closer really. Drifting back a bit, so... That's better. That's drifting back on its own again. Definitely drifting backwards. I reckon I've just trimmed the wrong thing. I'm drifting right now. Yes, I was trimming right. I thought I was trimming forwards and backwards. That's the one that goes forwards. That's better. No wonder it was flying funny. That's running for a long time, considering I left it turned on for a while I was waiting for the car park to clear. Whoa, back here, dog's coming. Right, they've gone. Gets up quite a speed for me, and we're still on the slowest speed as well. Oh, flashing light means we're going to run out of battery any second. There we go. Yeah. Well, that'll do. We had a bit of fun. It lasted for quite a bit longer than I expected. Okay, that's out the way. Turn that one off. That way. Put that in there. Put that in there. There we go, a little bit of drone flying as well. Or VN47 Battlehawks combat drones. Yeah. Right, I think that'll probably do for today. Done cars, drones. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.